Hi, I'm Chris from Budget Shipping Containers, and in this video we're showing you our new updated range of LED magnetic motion sensor lights for use in shipping containers, sheds and more. We have our 240mm model, but also now we have a new 600mm model to show off. These both work and are set up in exactly the same way, so for now I'm just going to show you the 240mm model. Once we open the box and go inside, we can see we've got the main lighting unit inside its protective case. In fact, for now, I'm just going to stick that over there. Underneath the cardboard, we've got the USB charge cable, and we've also got a couple of little metal plates and a couple of 3M sticky strips. Now these are for use if you want to attach this light to anything that is not a metal surface. And again, really easy to do. Clip the metal plates onto the back of the light. Then stick your sticky strips on the back of the plates. Once you've peeled off the other side, then place the whole lighting unit with the sticky strips onto the surface you want. Hold it for a short period of time and then pull it off. The sticky strips and the metal plates will stay behind, and then you'll be able to reattach this anytime you want. There's three main features that we'd like to set on this. Firstly, this head has got a motion sensor and a light sensor in it. It has a light sensor and motion sensor mode, as well as a motion sensor only mode. For use in a shipping container, we'd recommend motion sensor only mode. The reason being, if you have the light sensor active as well, this will only activate if it's pitch black. Usually, these lights are here to help you prevent trips and slips in a shipping container, so you want it to come on if it's dingy as well. So to activate it, go on the end, click your power button and wait for it to come on. Tap it once, the LEDs show green, and tap it twice, they'll show red. Green is motion and light sensor mode, red is motion sensor only mode. So now it's on motion sensor only mode, and it will come on every time it senses any motion at all. Next up, taking the function button, if we tap it, it'll change between 40 and 100% power. So at the moment, I think we want to keep that on 100%. Also, if we press and hold the function button, you'll see different number of LED lights will come along the little set of lights. If it has 3 lights, the lights will stay on for 50 seconds between each activation. If you have 1 blue light, it will stay on for 20 seconds. And if you have 2 blue lights, it will stay on for 35 seconds. The final thing to show you is that this motion sensor head is actually adjustable, so you can clip it out and have it set at 45 or 90 degrees. When you're using it in a shipping container, generally keeping the motion sensor flat will work just fine for you. However, if you're right at the opposite end to the doors, you may find that the motion sensor will activate a little bit faster if you clip it down because it's pointing forwards. From here, you can just clip it anywhere you want on a shipping container. You can have it on a sidewall, you can put it on the roof. In fact, anywhere that isn't the floor, these things will work fine as long as it's on a metal surface. And even if you've got some shelving or something else that you want to attach it to that isn't a metal surface, that will include our insulation kits in a shipping container. You've got your little metal plates and the 3M sticky strips as well. Thanks very much for watching. Of course, please feel free to check out our other videos. Love it if you give us a like and a subscribe.